Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to this online class of chemistry. And today I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is metallurgy, which is the chapter 7 of your chemistry book. So let's start our topic, metallurgy. Metallurgy is the process which is used to extract the metals in their pure form from its ore. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy is the process which is used to extract the metals in their pure form from its ore, are known as metallurgy. For example, you can say alumina. Alumina is extracted from the ore bauxite. Or ferric oxide. Ferric oxide is extracted from its ore hematite. Or zinc sulfide. Zinc sulfide will be extracted from its ore zinc blende. So the extraction of metals from its ore are known as metallurgy. So till now we know that 118 elements in the periodic table, you can find out 118 elements. Okay, and these 118 elements are classified into metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. So before going to discuss the topic metallurgy, first we know about that what are the basic things about metals and non-metals. So first we discuss what is metals. Metals means the element which will lose the electrons and form that positive ion. They are known as metals. Okay. For example, you can say that here sodium. Sodium, you can see that in that outermost cell, it contains only one electron. So to be octet, it will be lose the one electron and form that Na plus ion, that is positive ion. So the element which will lose the electron and form the positive ion, that is cation, they are known as what? Metals. Like this, you can say that another example, magnesium. Magnesium has two electrons in their outermost cell and they will be lose the two electrons to be octet and form that Mg2 plus ion. Okay, so and that is positive ion and they are known as what? Cation. So the element which will be lose the electrons and form that positive ion, they are known as metals. For example, you can say that aluminium, you can say that copper, silver, gold, magnesium. Okay, that means in the periodic table, the group 1 and group 2, that is alkali metal and alkaline earth metal, all are lose the electron and form that what? Cation. Okay, that means they are known as metals, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Then next we have to discuss that what are non-metals. Non-metal means the element which will gain the electrons and form that negative ion. They are known as what? Non-metals. For example, you can say that chlorine. Chlorine have 7 electrons in their outermost cells. So to be octet, they will be gain the electrons and form that what? Chlorine minus ion. That means they will form that negative ion. They are known as what? Anions. So the element which will be gain the electrons and form that negative ion, they are known as what? Non-metals. For example, chlorine, fluorine, that the halogen group, or the you can say that noble gases, inner gases, all are what? Non-metals. So the element which will be that chlorine, fluorine, that halogen group, okay, they are known as what? Non-metals. So the element which will be gain the electrons and form that negative ion, they are known as what? Non-metals. So already we discussed about that metals and non-metals. Now we have to compare that properties between that metals and non-metals. That means some physical properties and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So already you know that what are the metals? Metals means what? They are solid in nature. Okay, they are but non-metals are found in all the states: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. But metal except mercury, okay, they will, all the metals are solid in state. But in non-metals, that bromine will found in that liquid state, noble gases are found in that gaseous form, and the sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, they are found in that solid state. So metals are found in solid state, but non-metals are found in all the state, that means solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Next next point is metals are shining in nature, that means they are luster. Okay, but non-metals are dull appearance. That except iodine and graphite, all the non-metals are what? Dull appearance. But metals are shining in nature. The next one is our metals are actually metals are very strong except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are very soft, even they will be cut with the knife also. But non-metals are soft in nature. The next point is metals are good conductor of electricity, but non-metals are poor conductor of electricity. Or you can say that metals have high density, high melting point and boiling point. They have high tensile strength, but non-metals have low melting point and boiling point. They have less density. They have less tensile strength. Okay, so these are the physical properties. The comparison between the metals and the non-metals. Next one, we have discussed that the chemical properties, okay, of metals and non-metals. That means in metals, in the vapor state, they are in the monoatomic. Okay, that means the molecules of metals in the vapor state are usually monoatomic, but molecules of non-metals in the vapor state, they are polyatomic. And metals are found, they will form that electrovalent bond, but non-metals are formed that covalent bond. Okay, so these are the difference between that metals and non-metals. Next, we have to move our topic, that is occurrence of metals. Okay, so you know that metals are the found in that earth. Okay, so earth crust is the biggest source to found that metals. Okay, so that the earth crust is the biggest source of metals, and the metals are found maybe in that combined state or in that free state, that means native state. So this that occurrence of metals can be explained or can be explained by the basis of their activity series. What is activity series? Activity series means the metals will be, the highly reactive metals are found in the top and the less reactive element are found in the bottoms. So these metals are also we've explained in the basis of their activity series. That means the metals which are less reactive and do not react with the normal condition with oxygen, water, carbon dioxide and other reagents also, they are found in that free state or in the native state. For example, gold, then silver, platinum, they do not react with this water or the oxygen or the carbon dioxide. Okay, so they are found in their native state or free state. Okay, but the element which are highly reactive with that reagents, that is oxygen, water, carbon dioxide and so on, they will found in their combined state. Okay, that means the highly reactive element are found in that combined state. For example, you can say that sodium, potassium, they are found in chloride groups, or that aluminium, they are found in their oxide group, or calcium, magnesium, they are found in that carbonate group, or zinc, lead, copper, they are found in the sulfide group. So what you find, that highly reactive element are found in their combined state, and the less reactive element, that means they do not react with that reagents, they are found in their native state or the free state. So we conclude that metals are found in both the state, even in that native state or free state and combined state. Then next we have to discuss that what is the meaning of mineral. Mineral means they are the inorganic compound. Okay, they are found generally in that earth crust. So they will be consisting of some impurities like sand, soil, rock, clay, mud, or the silica. Okay, so the impurities which will be consisting with the metals which are found in the earth, that is known as what? Minerals. For example, you can say that here, see, if that it is that minerals, that means it consisting of both that metals and impurities. Okay, so this is known as what? Minerals. So minerals are the inorganic compounds which will be consisting of some impurities like mud, clay, dust, sand or silica. These are known as what? Minerals. Then our next one is ore. What is ore? Ore is also an we can say that it is an minerals, but it is extracted these impurities commercially by lower cost with less effort. Okay, that means you will be extract the impurities commercially by applying by lower cost or by you apply less effort. They are known as what? Ore. So this is the meaning of mineral and ore. But mineral and ore both are same, but ore, that means they are both are inorganic compounds. But only ore will be, it will be extracted commercially with less effort or by lower cost. This is known as what? Ore. Then next we have to discuss some common ore of aluminium, iron and zinc. So first we discuss some common ore of aluminium. That is bauxite, cryolite and corundum. These are the some ore or ore of aluminium. Then next one we have discussed that what are the some common ore of iron. Okay, that iron, that means hematite, or you can take, we can say that magnetite or iron pyrite, siderite. These are that some examples of ore of iron where that iron will be extracted. The next one we have discussed that some common ore of zinc, that is zinc blende, zincate and that calamine, that is the some common ore of zinc where the zinc, the metal of zinc will be extracted from this ore. So here we already discussed that what are the occurrence of metals and the meaning of mineral and ore, and some common ore of aluminium, iron and zinc. And also we discussed some basic things of metals and non-metals. So in the next period we have to discuss that extraction of aluminium. Thank you.